Hi, I'm Andrea Ballou, and yes, I'm running. In fact, I'm running so fast, I'm probably missing out on a lot of really important stuff in my life. Yeah, that's a creative expression technique that you might want to use if that were the point you were trying to make, either in your open or somewhere in a story in the middle of your presentation. In other words, you want to bring your body into it. Use this amazing vehicle that you have to express what you want to express. Another way to do that is an emotional engagement technique. You want to make sure that your affect, what your nonverbals are and what you're signaling, matches up with your language. So if I'm saying, I had a great day today, that matches up. But have you ever seen someone say, yeah, I had a great day today? Here's the thing, when we say that, we're going to believe the nonverbals. That's what we believe subconsciously. So you want to make sure you have those two lined up. And it goes with tenderness as well. Oh man, yesterday I got out, my dog got out and I didn't know where he was. That makes sense to us. Not, oh, yesterday my dog got out and I just didn't know where he was. Yeah, so it's important to use creative expression and emotional engagement techniques to bring greater believability, credibility, and life to your presentation. And it's a lot more fun. So remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. So make sure your play is authentically yours.